What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the Texas Jones Fishing Channel. Once again, I'm here with East Texas angler Jordan. We are here at the beautiful Lake Fork in Texas. We're gonna try to get on some sandy, some crappie, possibly catfish if we can get bait for it. It's gonna end up being a pretty cool day. Let's see, got a little rain in the forecast. Hopefully we don't get hit too much, but stay tuned, guys. Oh man, buy kayak wheels, they said. No, I didn't buy any. Should have. Oh, there it goes. Guys, if you buy the ascend133x, I recommend you get wheels. Woo. Been kayaking all over this place. Jordan's way over there. Guys, this wind is it's just one of those things. Just needed to really calm down and start getting a lot better. I'm kind of going to a sketchy spot over here with this wind, and we're getting up in some trees, so it's just not ideal for this type of weather that I want to be in, as far as in a kayak wrapped up in some trees. So we're gonna see what happens. Wish me luck. I think we finally found us a little spot to tie up on. For the time being, at least. And try to work some of these fish. I said I haven't really actually got the fish yet. I mean, it's just been more running around trying to find a good spot. So we're gonna work this little timber area right here and see what we can do. I think it should be a good spot, to be honest with you. So we're just gonna slowly let this sink. The depth's about 15 feet. So we're just gonna work this. Slow work it. And hopefully we can get up on whatever's here. You know, I wonder if be some small channels back here. Well, I'm sure there's small channel cat back here for sure, but I do wonder if there's some bluegills up in here. We just gotta break this ice. We just need that first fish, guys. I think this is gonna be the first fish. What is it? Maybe catfish? It is a catfish. We got ourselves a little channel cat. Look at that little channel. But that does break the ice. Shows the fish finder does work. It shows fish, and well, there's a fish. That's just bobbing the jig. I think he actually got my jig. But there we go. It's fish. Fish on, fellas. Let's get fish off. This was tiny. But when there's one, there's more, so. Come off, buddy. Oh, their spines are so sharp. Okay. Give myself some drag. Okay. Man, he hooked himself good. Alright. Bye, buddy. Not the biggest, but it counts. I think we're getting some kind of little nibble. Yeah, we got a fish. Oh, we got a, what is this? A baby channel cat. super baby channel cat. All right. Oh man, this rod just smashed. This rod just smashed, dude. It's a decent sized channel. That's a little setup. Yeah, guys. I don't think I can even get this guy with the fish grips. Grab your head. Open up. Quick, 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 quick. Come here. Come here, come here. Throw it in a little bit. Throw it in a little bit. Oh, don't do that. Oh no! Just sling him in. It's alright. Yeah, got a 1 pound little channel, guys. Nice. Just dropped that. The fish finder does work. Success. I hope that was on camera. That was a little sketchy. But let's get this guy off. That's what I'm talking about. Heck yeah, guys. Let's get this back. Oh no! Let's get him back. We got another one. We got another one, guys. Oh goodness. Oh, it's a small one, but it's a catfish. As I was getting that one back. Jeez, man. All right. Well, we'll go ahead and throw this one back too. Holy gosh. I was not ready for that. All right. I got to get set up here. I'm all tangled and... Okay, here we go. There's that. We just doubled up. I'm going to drop both these rods at the same time. You guys tell me. Go down first. So the left one, which is my left, probably your right, or the right one. What do you think? Comment, guys. Well, let's go ahead and drop them at the same time. Boom. There they go. This one's actually going to sink faster because that's a 1/16 jig head, and this is a 1/32. That one got hung up a little bit. All right. So let it sink. All right, we're going to stop it there. It hit bottom. Sink it here. I usually reel up about a foot off the bottom. So let's see, it's not showing fish, but I believe there's still fish down there, guys. So let's see, what do you guys think? Left or right? It says no fish. Look at this. I just rigged this up. There's actually no bait in it yet. I was just testing it out. Jordan's out there actually trying to get some shad so we could possibly do some bigger, you know, game catfish. There's one fish on the radar. Sonar, whatever you want to call it. But I'll be back with you guys. Right one is gonna win. So what we got here, feels like another little channel cat. Man, these are babies. But the right one did win, guys. It's a catfish. It does count. It is tiny, but right one wins. Let's get this guy off. Oh my gosh, that's like minnow size. We're gonna see what Jordan can get over there. I definitely want to move spots either way. Just fun catching these fish, don't get me wrong, but trying to get on something a little bit bigger. That way we can bring out the big rods. And oh my goodness, so wrapped up, tangled. I'm really not that used to kayak fishing, guys. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Still pretty new to it, so it's a struggle as far as where to put stuff, where to just where stuff feels comfortable, basically, you know. I don't know where my stuff is. It's just sporadic. It's just all over. It really is. So oh, let's see, do we get us another one? I think we did. It's probably another small one. It is. But that's another fish. That is another fish, and it's a tiny fish. But at the end of the day, that's fish. All right, we're not gonna waste time talking about them. That's another channel cat. There you go, you see him, got some specks, colorful. Let's get him back. So we did find out where to catch tiny catfish. Let's let him on that side of the boat. Oh, we got hit again. And that's another fish. He's a little bit bigger. He's not a big fish, but he's a little bit bigger. No, he's not. Oh, quick release. That's okay. I'm all right with it. We did find this little school of channel cat. I'd much rather find a big school of channel cat, but it is fish. So I'm actually kind of having fun with this. It's kind of awesome. Just constant bite, so it's not boring. So it's awesome. Ones? How many? Oh, you got some?
Yeah.
Nice. I mean, we can go. You got some? Yeah, you got catfish rods. You got catfish rods, right?
What?
Catfish rods. Oh goodness. Thank you. I was thinking about. Well, now I don't know, the whole wind. Yeah. Yeah, it's like every 2 minutes.
This a jig?
No, this isn't work. Oh, that's a better one. Did he come off? Oh, he's on. Oh, that's a sandy. That's a yellow bass, sorry. That's bait, right? These are legally bait?
No.
Yellows?
Yeah.
No way, really?
Yeah.
Oh, doesn't matter, he flew off.
How many times have you broken the law?
No, I looked it up, I swear to God, I thought. Oh, there's no keep limit. No size limit to keep. I gotta look that up. I don't know. Jordan got us some big old gizzard shad in the cast net over there. That's where he's been. So I think we'll probably try to rig up for some bigger cats. Seems to be a bunch of babies here. What the heck? Went to check my bait, guys. And guys, this is another baby, but if I hold it close enough, this is a 30-pounder. Let's get him back. Hey guys, that's gonna be it for that trip. That was actually a pretty fun trip. I really enjoyed it. We did a lot of fishing. I actually didn't put a lot of stuff in the video. We tried to throw under a bridge for a while and there were so many boats. We actually went on a day that they had a tournament, and with the wind and the boats, it was just insane. We also ended up trolling a little, or drifting a little bit with some big shad with our bigger rods, but man, it started getting even more windy and the rain came in. So we got closer to the bank and threw a couple more jigs, but in the end we didn't get any more. But thank you guys for watching. If you could go ahead and hit that like button on the video, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Whoa!